Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, in last session we have seen how to install Tailwind in your React application. Okay, so today we'll see how to add custom fonts in your React application. Okay, so that we will see guys how to add custom fonts. Okay, so for that we'll go in Google guys here. I will hide it. Okay, so I have to go in Google. Okay, so here in Google just type here guys font. Okay, first type font, then we'll get a Google fonts. Okay, so click on that on Google font. Then here you will get lot of font guys. You can see there are a lot of font. So we'll select from here one and we'll check guys for that. Okay, so which one should I get? mm, Any one will pick from here. So which one? Okay, this one I'll take. It is common. I want actually italic something like that, but that I'm not able. Here, so I'll pick this. Okay, Roboto Mono. So here you can see we'll go in get font. Okay, so here you will get guys here one more font is there, that is Light. Okay, static. So this also we can get. So we'll download it. Which one? Okay, so here it is downloading guys. Light Roboto Mono. So there are a lot of fonts are there, but we'll take only one where it is get fonts. See, there are a lot of those, so it is downloading all things. So I'll delete this, delete this, delete this. Only one will take. Okay, so I'll download. So it is you can see as it is downloading. So I'll make it save. Okay, then after that just open it guys. So I'm opening here. So from here just copy it guys. That is Dynalite regular. Okay, just copy it. This only now. Okay, just copy and go in your React application. So I am going in my React application guys. That is my app. So here in source, in assets, here you create one folder. So I'll create one folder like fonts. Okay, fonts. Okay, open it and paste that. Okay, so I'm pasting here. Okay, fine. Now we'll go in our code. So you can see guys, if you go in font, there is one file added. We have added one file. Okay, now go in index.css. So here we need to add some points guys, that will tell you now. Okay, so guys, here just okay, below it we'll take this as above. Okay, here take like add font face, and here it will come like font family. Okay, and here we need to take the name. So whatever I have added here, that name I have to give. Okay, so the name is, I'm not getting here name. Here only. Okay, I'll copy the name. Okay, I have copied. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so you can see guys, I have copied here. Okay, then next here we need to add one source guys, that is src source we need to add. So URL, okay, you can see it is showing me that. So that only we need to take. So this is the path we need to take guys. Okay, so it is src. In src there is an assets, right? So assets take, then after that fonts will come, then later guys, see later our file will come, that is dynalite regular ttf. You can see guys, this path we have taken. Okay, so assets, fonts, and this. Okay, so here we got a path. Now after that guys, we need to add here one theme, that is add thm. Okay, this is you need to do only one time guys. Okay, then here font will come. Okay, then here the name will come guys. So this is Dynalite regular, right? So I'll copy it, paste it here. Okay, then you can give different name also. Okay, that's not a problem. You can give different name also there. So if this is not working, then we'll take this case, that is sans serif. this font. Okay, if it is working, then that only it will work, otherwise this will work. See, we can take only regular also here. This name you can take anything, but this name should be correct, guys. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now this font we need to apply here, right? So what I'll do, guys, so here is my path. You can see, guys, now how the text is. You just check, guys, how the text is now, and here I'll add, guys. Okay, so what is that? Regular. So here you can see it is taking regular. Okay, font regular. So you can see, guys, right, text has been changed. So whatever we have taken, and that only it came, you can see. Okay, suppose if you take this same here also now, you can see here also it is changing, right? So like this you can add, like, by downloading. Okay, then one more thing I'll tell you, guys, that is how to embed the code. Okay, so to embed the code, just select anyone. See, I'll select this now. Just go in get font, then here I want to embed the code, right? So what we'll do, we'll delete this because we have done this now, right? Then edit. So I'll delete it. Then we'll take robot. Okay, so just go in get embed code. Okay, here you need to select, guys, import. Okay, here we are taking this, guys, robot. Okay, then just copy it, that is at import. Go in your file, index.css, then add it here. Just import it. Okay, so we have imported here. Fine. Then after that, just copy this, guys, here, and here you can see, guys, font family, that is roboto. Just copy it and add it here, roboto, and this also will make as roboto only. This is also roboto. Okay, fine. Now we'll see here. You can see, guys, here I will add, okay, hello tailwind CSS. So for that I'll add here roboto. So here it is font. You can see it is showing roboto. You can see here it is changing something, right? Observe there, guys. Okay, I'll add here also. Oh, where it is going, font roboto. You just see, guys, that click me now. You can see it is changing something, right? So the style is applying on that, guys, that font is applying. Okay, so like that you can download and you can add custom font in your file, guys. Okay, so I hope you got this. So if you want more videos like this, guys, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting us.